this gorgeous salmon again. It's amazing for weight loss too. Tastes incredible.
I steam-baked this salmon, and it came out so tender, moist, and flaky, not dry at all. Salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein for tissue repair, rich in omega-3 salts crucial for brain and heart health, and packed with essential vitamins like D and B12. Ingredients: fresh salmon, lemon, corn kernels, lettuce, carrot. The seasoning is very simple. Only need salt, black pepper, Cajun powder, and honey. Cut the lemon into half, and then squeeze out the lemon juice. 1 piece of salmon needs half a grain of lemon juice. If you are as lazy as me about cleaning the juicer, squeezing the lemon with a fork like this is very convenient. The extra lemon juice can be made into lemon green tea or honey green tea to drink, which is very good for the skin. Remove the lemon seeds, remember that. Add a tablespoon of honey and Cajun seasoning powder to the lemon juice, then mix well and set aside. Slice the lemon for lining the salmon during baking and for use as a garnish. Peel and slice the carrot into strips. It's tossed in a salad with lettuce and sweet corn. Of course, you can always swap out the salad ingredients based on personal preference. Wash and shred the lettuce. I personally love the crispy texture of shredded lettuce in salads. It's incredibly refreshing and cuts through the richness of other foods perfectly. The salad is ready. Now back to the salmon. Once the salmon is pot dry, give both sides an even coating of salt and Cajun seasoning for a quick marination. The salt and Cajun seasoning create a flavorful, slightly spicy crust that enhances the salmon's natural sweetness. The Cajun powder adds warm notes of paprika and garlic, creating a savory and aromatic profile. This combination makes the exterior deliciously savory while keeping the interior tender and moist. Overall, it's a robust yet balanced taste that complements the salmon without overpowering it. Sprinkle with some black peppercorns, then pour in the prepared lemon honey sauce. All that's left is to lay 2 lemon slices on top. Now we're all set to steam bake. The lemon slices release steam during cooking, creating a moist environment that helps prevent the salmon from drying out. The fresh, acidic flavor from the lemon penetrates the fish, enhancing its natural taste and cutting through the richness of the fish oils. While the fish is steam baking, you can prepare the salad first. As for the salad dressing, just stick to your favorite as usual. Today I'm planning to make a balsamic honey salad dressing. It's super simple. Just mix balsamic vinegar with honey. Friends who are interested, feel free to give it a try too. The steam-baked salmon is cooked, and it looks so beautiful. It's time for the most enjoyable part, plating. Feel free to arrange it creatively according to your own ideas and preferences, then serve it up and dig in. Place a slice of salmon, then add the salad and drizzle with a little salad dressing. I also added some air-fried sweet potato fries. A delicious and healthy meal is now complete, so simple yet incredibly tasty. What do you all think of the presentation? I'd love to hear your thoughts on my plating. This meal featuring salmon, salad greens, and sweet potato fries represents a model of nutritional balance. The salmon provides high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health, while the fresh salad vegetables supply essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber to aid digestion and boost immunity. The air-fried sweet potato fries offer complex carbohydrates that deliver sustained energy and help maintain blood sugar balance with their natural sweetness and fiber content. This combination creates perfect nutritional synergy through its thoughtful pairing of proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Best of all, it demonstrates how steam baking and air frying techniques can achieve both delicious flavor and healthy eating principles in one complete meal. Steam baking salmon creates an exceptionally tender texture by trapping moisture through steam, allowing the protein fibers to cook evenly in a humid environment that prevents moisture loss from direct high heat. This method combines the succulence of steaming with the aroma of roasting, resulting in a flaky yet irresistibly moist flesh that melts in your mouth. Salmon's omega-3 fatty acids are true brain gold for women. They significantly enhance memory retention and mental clarity, making them particularly valuable for those with demanding cognitive workloads. The unique combination of DHA and EPA in salmon does more than just stabilize mood during menstrual cycles. It also provides neurological support for postpartum mental wellness and helps counteract cognitive decline during menopause. Making salmon a regular part of your diet is like providing antioxidant armor for your brain cells. This powerful nutritional support helps delay brain aging and enables women to maintain lasting cognitive agility. Avoid consuming salmon with strong tea or unripe fruits like persimmons and bananas. The tannins can bind with protein and hinder digestion. High oxalate vegetables like spinach and bamboo shoots may reduce calcium and zinc absorption from salmon. It's better to consume them separately. Eating salmon with large amounts of cold nature seafood like crab or oysters may cause digestive discomfort, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. Tannins in red wine or strong tea might react with salmon's fats, affecting both flavor and nutrient absorption. No need to worry in a balanced diet, just avoid consuming these combinations in large quantities at one time. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness Happiness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.